Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Union, New Jersey. We're currently in the middle of installing a beautiful brushed bronze Cambridge dual bypass enclosure. As you know, the Cambridge is one of the most popular and most sold item for frameless sliding doors because again, look at how frameless it is. There's nothing really as far as metal is concerned. It has the beautiful exposed wheels and yada yada. All right, so I wanted to take the opportunity while I'm doing this installation to show you how the Cambridge actually works and also the adjustments, because over time things settle, things move, so you'll find that the weight of everything kind of starts to sag a little bit. It's just normal. So knowing how to make an adjustment over time will save you a lot of time and a lot of headache. So I'm going to show you how this works. So each Cambridge comes with this cool little key right here, and there's a retaining wheel back here where it locks in place. See that? So now what we're gonna do is try to find a way to show the audience how this works. So I'm gonna just put the key on there, okay? And I'm gonna see how the wall how the glass fits on that wall. That looks pretty good up there. That looks really good down there. So now what happens if I go ahead and turn this key? Let's see if anything changes. I gotta turn it the other way because I'm stuck. As you see, I plan things out really well. There you go. So I now made a little 45-degree turn. Let's see what that's done. So it's touching at the top, and now we got a space at the bottom. So why don't we go ahead and fix this back to the correct position. Give it a 90, there you go. And let's check it again. Touching at the top and touching at the bottom. That's it. So again, the weight is distributed between the top hangers only. The bottom hangers don't hold any weight. Instead, what it does is that it locks the glass in place so that if in case somebody were to come and lift this glass up, it can't go up, therefore it can't come off the rail, therefore falling and killing someone. All right, so if you guys get one of these installed in your home, why don't you go ahead and ask the installers to provide you with the key so that you can do this maintenance yourself. Again, you saw how quick I did it. It's really easy. You're not gonna break nothing, and just trying won't hurt anything. All right, but if you need one of these guys in New Jersey, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a venomous spider will crawl on your face.